Are you looking to incorporate bodyweight exercise into your workouts and you're wondering what is the best bodyweight leg exercise available? If that's the case, you find the right video, because in this video I share with you the best bodyweight leg exercise available. Plus at the very end of this video I share with you yet another bodyweight leg exercise that I recommend that you will combine with the first one. So make sure to stick around for that. If I will recommend you one bodyweight leg exercise, I will definitely go and recommend a pistol squat. That's because, you know, a barbell squat is considered to be one of the best exercises and one of the best leg exercises available. Well, you know, if you take it into a bodyweight scenario, well, obviously a pistol squat is going to be the best option here. It has a really great range of motion. It's great for the quads, the glutes. But if you really want to train your legs properly, then you also want to have some hip hinge exercise in there. So a bodyweight version of this will be a hyperextension. Now this is one of the best hamstring exercises available, great for the hamstrings, glutes and lower back of course. And hey, if you get some value from this video, then why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel right there for more similar videos in the future. But what most people don't realize about this exercise, and something also teach my clients, is that if you just adjust the bench so that the support comes just below your hip level. So if it's here, it's going to be you're going to be training your lower back quite a lot. If you go and put it a little bit below your hip level, it becomes a very, very effective hamstring exercise. And not just an effective hamstring exercise, but actually I'll put it quite high on top of the list as a hamstring exercise. So hyperextensions are going to be a great exercise to combine pistol squats with. But you obviously wouldn't want to just use one or two exercises for your lower body. You want to have a lot more than that. So for that reason, I recommend that you have a look at this video right here. It's going to teach you even more effective bodyweight leg exercises. And if you got some value from this video, then please go ahead and leave this video a like, so I appreciate it, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on how to build a warrior body with primal training. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.